Hello everyone, thanks for being here. Today my name is Maulana, we are the 7 group. Today we will talk about vacuum cleaner robot. Let me introduce the member of group. First there is Maxi. Please Maxi, introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Maxi.
And then there is Fatin. Please.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Fatin.
Next there is Gali. Please introduce yourself Gali.
Hello, my name is Karim.
And last there is Kafin. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Kavitz.
What is robotic vacuum cleaner? A robotic vacuum cleaner, sometimes called a RoboVac or Roomba as generic trademark, is an autonomous robotic vacuum cleaner which has a limited vacuum floor cleaning system combined with sensor and robotic drive, with programmable controller and cleaning routine. Next is the history that will be explained by Maxi. Please.
The story of robotic vacuum cleaner. In 1996, Electrolux introduced the first robotic vacuum cleaner, the Electrolux Trilobite. It worked well but had frequent problem with colliding with objects and stopping short of wall and other objects, as well as leaving small areas not clean. As a result, it failed in the market and was discontinued. In 1997, one of Electrolux's first version of the Trilobite vacuum was featured on the BBC's science program Tomorrow World. In 2001, Dyson built and demonstrated a robot vacuum known as the DC-06. However, due to its high price, it was never released to the market. Electrolux released two Trilobite robotic vacuum cleaner. The robotic vacuum cleaner launched at the price of $1,800. There were two models, the GA1 and the GA2. In 2010, the Niato Robotic XV11 robotic vacuum introduced laser-based mapping, allowing navigation in straight lines rather than the traditional random navigation. In 2015, Dyson and iRobot both introduced camera-based mapping. In 2016, iRobot CEO claimed that 20% of vacuum cleaner sales worldwide were robots. As of 2018, obstacles such as dogface, cable, and shoes remain very difficult for a robot to navigate around. Now, robotic vacuum cleaner can be easily found in the market at a cheaper price when compared to previous year.
Next, Fatin will explain.
The robot vacuum
Fatin, hello.
cleaner is supported by navigation and cleaning technology to carry out its function. Some of technological features used by the robot vacuum cleaner are infrared or laser, 5V, cameras, clip sensor, and artificial intelligence or AI. Using the type of brush, the main function of the robot vacuum cleaner is to suck up dust in the room. This tool works using two types of brushes, namely rollers and spinners. The two brushes will stir up the dirt and pull it into the middle of an empty space inside the robot called an internal trash can. Using battery-powered device, there are also old model vacuum cleaners that use batteries. However, the battery system used by robotic vacuum cleaner is different from traditional vacuum cleaners. Before use, the robot vacuum cleaner is charged at the charging station point. After that, the robot vacuum cleaner will return to the charging station and turn itself off.
Next, Kafid will explain what features.
Alright. Bentar. Di slide 6.
Yeah.
The robotic vacuum cleaner works using a processor in which AI is embedded. When it is first turned on, the vacuum cleaner robot will map the area to be cleaned using sensors and cameras first and then stored in memory. After the vacuum cleaner robot knows the terrain to be cleaned, it will clean it. In addition to cleaning dust, there are several models of robotic vacuum cleaners that can mop. In that model, it can detect carpets too. They don't get wet when mopping. This robotic vacuum cleaner can also work on a scheduled basis. Like this can be set on the smartphone application. Besides that, there's also a robotic vacuum cleaner that can work remotely using the internet with Wi-Fi network at home. The type of sensor used depends on the manufacturers who make the specific vacuum. But basically, real-time input from the sensor will trigger pre-program action in the robot, helping it make unassisted on-the-spot decisions. The cleaners are made to be as small as possible, with a very compact design, allowing them to reach every small corner beneath objects. For the place they can reach and effortlessly bump into, they use sensors to guide them through sensors. Sensors include one, wall sensors. The robot vacuum is aided with an infrared sensor that detects the wall of the house. This is required for the robot to track the walls and move along them while cleaning the dirt accumulated on the side of the skirting of the wall. In some devices, the robot also determines the cleaning path in a room, which is done through pre-programmed algorithms. The infrared spectrum is also useful in tightly navigating furniture in a room, which makes it easier to clean the room more quickly. In those devices with mapping
Kafid,
capability,
on cam.
the wall sensors first can enable them to go around open doorways and clean your rooms. Number two, obstacle sensors. The biggest concern for robot vacuums are the objects in the room. The loose furniture, the sofa legs, the dining tables, chairs, and any haphazardly placed toys. For combating this problem, there are sensors placed on the shock absorbing bumpers of the robot. When the robot bumps into an object, the sensor gets triggered, informing the robot to steer in the opposite direction of the bump object. Since moving around objects can leave a trace of dirt, many manufacturers tell their robots to take different routes to the obstacle by slowly bumping into objects to see if there's obstacles like curtains and blenders, so they can push through that rather than avoiding the area completely. Number three is cliff sensors. Change in floor level can be a major hazard for the robot as it could get stuck or even damaged. Areas like stairways and loft can be very treacherous and may cause damage if poorly navigated. To make sure that the robot stays on the same plane, infrared sensors are put beneath the robot that send out signals to measure the distance from the floor. If the signal is received immediately, the robots know it is on the same plane. If the signal takes time to return, it recognizes that there is a cliff, so it initiates a pre-programmed protocol to change its path to a different direction.
Next, Gali.
Next.
It is essential for the robot to calculate the total distance in the table in the room. Essentially, to make sure it is properly cleaned out the surface of the room and not miss at any spot. Light sensor or air therefore placed on the wheels of the robot. This enables the robot to measure its own wheel rotation. This measurement will calculate the robot's convergence of the wheel. Tips in the distance in the travel. Number 5, tilt sensor. The sensors are used by some manufacturers to notify the robot in the case of a chest tear in a certain area. These are acoustic impact sensors, which enable the robot to detect if an if a high volume of teeth is entering into the robot. As this tear cause, cause the metal plate in the sensor to vibrate, the robot will take another round of cleaning of the room. As it recognizes that there is more to it. Number 6. LiDAR, light detector and image mapping. The new crop of robots utilities powerful computer detectors and mapping programs. These are seen in high-range robots with advanced capabilities. Every manufacturer is idiosyncratic in their use of these technologies, which makes the robot depends from another in terms of capabilities. Some of the robots of leader to map the distance between them and the object in their paths. In creates a map which dates manufacture which enable them to know the environment and now is placed in the environment. So its knowledge spread has every day been taken, allowing it to optimize in movement for better manufacturing. Cameras basically allow the boot to see. Most new cleaning boots use their same ability to clean better. For example, the robot Rock S9 for a camera-based navigation system to help them to see and avoid picture shock and other tones on the floor. Camera navigation system help Fox both scrape and better map of your home to cameras can also be placed on the goods to achieve as mobile security commerce that can patrol Wi-Fi service to connection to vacuum cleaner to the location network and also the internet so that the robot vacuum cleaner can be set up a smartphone and run from outside the house.
Robotic vacuum cleaner. Robotic vacuum cleaners are now very usable, especially with their feature offers ranging from scheduled cleaning, being able to map rooms, and can also operate remotely using Wi-Fi connectivity, and also has an artificial intelligence that is able to map areas accurately. Coupled with increasingly rapid technological advance, design of this robotic technological vacuum cleaner is increasingly complex and minimalist. In the end, it can reach places that are difficult to reach by humans. That's all. We hope that our presentation will help you to know more about vacuum cleaner robot. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.